I ain't normally political. This shit here critical. Don't let the lack of a visual limit you from what I'm spitting, cool? Time to get physical. Time to knock shit down.
In a world where Donald Trump is my president, I guess the state of the nation is quite evident. Ain't like I'm rushing to judgment with no evidence. Speaking of Russian, damn, the room is full of elephants. Let me make it clear, Don, please don't start. Now you may have America, but this is Sparta. Trust me, you ain't making America great again. Racism, misogyny make America hate again. Your statutes are giving me a feel, moron liar. The Statue of Liberty should set New York on fire. The MLK statue's pointing the K at you. King was about peace, I guess he borrowed one from Malcolm. And what's more, it seems like you devoted to the slaughter. Tears from Rushmore got the Dakotas underwater. I hate your face, and every time you talk I'm appalled. Make the Lincoln Monument stand and walk through the mall. I ain't scared of you and your clan, I walk through them all. Try to plaster me with hate, okay, I walk through the wall. Once one goes down, the rest are quicker to fall. I'll be a home wrecking nigga to y'all, Demolition Man. My way off, history the year was 16, you made off. Made victory of pyramid schemes. Once the secret surfaced, the secret service gonna have to be on him after when he get nervous. I was asleep now, I am awake, I'm high and irate. It's more than a minor debate, the guys are fake. I hope the blip you flying deflate. Trump shit, you better jump shit, Republic's on fire, escape. The damnation of a nation, not just the old man, I hate the whole damn administration. And anyone with any kind of affiliation, and anyone feeling guilty by association. Sitting amongst power, listen you punk coward. Elevator up, take a shit on the Trump Tower. Today shows we need a voice, can Matt Lauer back ours, or put in the call to Jack Bauer, or call Eric Carter to look at y'all. Trying to walk straight like you ain't a crook at all. Won't give it a rest, yeah, I say we book them all. All shit, raw shit, but I'm trying to cook them all. Ain't fucking with Don Trump, ain't fucking with Mike Pence, ain't fucking with Carson, he'd never picket the white fence. Ain't fucking with Jeff Sessions, ain't fucking with Kanye, ain't fucking with Kellyanne, she moving to Conway. Ain't fucking with Sean Spicer, ain't fucking with Paul Ryan. He was never Team Trump, now he is, man, y'all lying. Once one goes down, the rest are quicker to fall. I'll be a home wrecking nigga to y'all, Demolition Man.